At ISH, you are part of École Ducasse India, the international hub for culinary education in India, grounded in the legacy of École Ducasse France. Here, culinary arts become your way of life. You spend 8 semesters blending culinary mastery with business fundamentals. In professional kitchens, in classrooms, and through projects, you learn advanced culinary and pastry techniques while developing the mindset of an entrepreneur. Every semester, you grow more prepared for careers across food and beverage, hospitality, and lifestyle. Practical immersion defines the journey. From your early semesters, you spend extensive time in professional kitchens, guided by chef mentors, committees, and assignments that challenge you to solve real industry problems. 2 structured work attachments then bridge study with career. From semester 5, you choose your specialization: digital marketing strategies, entrepreneurship, financial performance, or service management. Your final year blends this business depth with your craft, preparing you for professional immersion. As École Ducasse India, we are part of the École Ducasse Global Network. You can complete your degree in India with a BA from Gurugram University, delivered by École Ducasse India and recognized by École Ducasse France. Or you can transfer to France for your final year, to the Paris campus for culinary arts, or ENSP, the world's leading pastry school for bakery and pastry arts. At ISH, talent matters more than background. That is why Flourish exists, our way of ensuring every deserving student who belongs at ISH can find their place here. Flourish reflects our belief that education must remain fair, human, and supportive. This is the ISH way of life, where you live, you learn, you work, you play, and you repeat. You become part of a community that stays with you for life. Mentors and counselors guide you from your first semester to the moment you step into your career.